We're at ILMF in Denver, Colorado. This year we're addressing our newest LiDAR solution and our CH4 detector.
An event like this is an opportunity for professionals at all different areas of the discipline in academia, government, and private industry to come together, share ideas, come up with new creative applications of exciting technology.
We are sponsoring the ASPRS workshop in the morning, and not only are we sponsoring it, but the keynote speaker of it is our very own Dr. Mohammed Mustafa. I think that demonstrates that we are very serious about helping users to deliver results and to grab the results from the field that they need.
It's important for companies in private industry to participate in the workshops, to establish for their customers that they really are serious about implementing technology in the most credible and responsible way.
It is very important to the industry because this is where the experts go and where they get new input and do workshops and actually learn about new products.
The technical workshops that are offered by ASPRS present an opportunity to hear fundamental concepts as well as more advanced applications of technology.
I always say that Microdrones was doing drones before drones were cool. Is it important for the drone to fly? Yes, but if it's not doing something while it's up there, then it's kind of useless. So I think what I've seen over the past few years, my experience is actually tying in the excitement of drone flying and bringing in that expertise of that geospatial world. And you come to a conference like this, the ILMF or ASPRS, you have that kind of combination and the expertise.
Honestly, the thing that excites me the most about these conferences, it's a chance for me to really be with my professional family. The general public doesn't really understand very well what we do. Most of my neighbors and family members don't really want to sit around and have a conversation about photogrammetry. So when I come to an event like this, I get to see those people who have really been such an important part of my life and my career, and we get to sit around and chit-chat about things that really no one else in the world understands.